Sunday, June 15th, Astro Excel forecast for the coming week. Finishing up from last week, we had a good pattern match again last week for the second week in a row. You can see the red lines are following the green line. I marked it on the indicator and on the price bars. The vertical lines are the peaks on the blue line, indicating some of the key pivot areas. You can see those are pretty good. On Friday, we had a divergence here. The blue line had a strong up move and peaked out here. That brought the market with it, and the actual market peak was 1 hour after the peak on the blue line. Looking at the coming week ahead, we open up down below the -10 level on the green line, and that bottoms out Monday down here at about 1600 or so. So we've got downward pressure all the way through Monday, and then we push back up Monday through Tuesday, where we end up peaking out here about 11 a.m. and then we're sideways on the green line all the way through pretty much the end of the week. And we really just don't get out of that area until we break out below -10 here on the 19th. And then we've got downward pressure Friday, where we start to push down to the -20 line. On the blue line, we've got one extreme here on Monday at about 2 p.m. where both lines are going to bottom out, and then that's where the green line turns up. The blue line turns up here also, then gets stuck on the 0 line into Wednesday. We've got a peak here at 2030, and then a low here at about 2330. Moving into Wednesday, we've got this peak here at about 6 a.m. and one more important peak would be late Wednesday night at about 2300. We've got that up and down activity around the +10 line. So the pattern is down, then up, then sideways through Wednesday, drifting down Thursday and breaking down on Friday. You can see the blue line, as explained, it goes flat again at the end of the week. So on the 19th, about 5 a.m., it goes pretty much flat, just oscillating around the 0 line for the rest of the week. So that's the look ahead with the Astro Excel.